Hello, good day. Today I'll show you how I defeated Narcan, the last boss for the mystery Reckless Courage. So before kayo mag-start, I'll recommend you guys to open all your skills para makita nyo kung cooldown na ba yung mga skills nyo or hindi pa. So meron dalawang skill na dapat nating iwasan na ginagamit ni Narcan. First skill is when Narcan screams with flashing violet color. Yan. So magro-roll siya after niya gamitin. And then after nung roll niya, sa dulo meron siyang malaking AoE skill na pwede kayong ma-one hit. So sa mga arbalist, tandaan nyo, meron kayong 2 skill na pwedeng gamitin to counter it. Pwede nyo gamitin yung Pain Strike and also your ultimate para maging invulnerable kayo once na gumulong na si Narcan. Also, nire-recommend ko sa inyo na maging patient lang kayo, no? So, etong mystery ko na to, parang tinapos ko siya around 30 minutes na paikot-ikot lang. And lagi kayo dapat malayo kay Narcan and always use the skill Seeking Bolt and Flashbang, Venomous, Ice Cage, and Obliterate Shell. So, tandaan nyo, if possible, isave nyo yung Pain Strike nyo para if ever na wala na kayong chance mag-dash out, pwede kayong sumipa para mag-invulnerable yung character nyo. And yung other skill ni Narcan na dapat nating iwasan is yung gumagalabog siya sa dibdib. After nun, kakalmot siya ng ilang times. Then, pwede nyo siyang pwestuhan sa likod kapag ginamit niya yung skill na yon. So kapag ginamit niya na skill na yon, vulnerable siya to attack sa likod. So pwede niyo siyang combohin and huwag kayong matatakot magbato ng skill kahit hindi nagbabash. No, para lang continuous yung damage na nababawas sa kanya. And isa pang tip na mabibigay ko sa inyo, sa umpisa, every 3 hit ni Narcan, tsaka lang siya gagamit ng special skill niya. Pero tandaan nyo, habang bumababa yung HP niya, nagiging random na yung paggamit ng skills niya. So dapat yung hand and eye coordination nyo is mabilis para pag nakita nyo na nag-proc na or ginawa niya na yung mga skills na ibabato niya is makaka-dash out kayo. So no more talking and let's watch how I defeated the last 5 health of Narcan. Thank you.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? To claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I'll look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things